Alright, March 17th, 2021, Tyler Hayes here, 2233, gonna do a bonus, southbound is here, that's M342, Tier 4 to lead, check him out, lean back and get him, here we go, gate drop. Again! I rebuild, that was my first one! And it had 3171 in the second slot! This one is M342! Second time that I get to see the 3131 now! It was previously GECX 2042. This train and the previous one that was just here, NU, LCS and U, and 3 of the 563 at Murray. There's the DP of 3110. Last of it is coming! There it is! Sandhopper, GECX 1930, and the train device is going! What a catch! What a way to end the bonus! Very nice. So there you go, that was the M342 that was led by the MEI rebuild of CN3131 that was previously GECX 2042 with the ET44AC of 3171 in the second slot and the 3110 as DPU. That will conclude the bonus here in Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.